guys, welcome back to another episode of G-Man's Fishing Adventures. Today we are doing a tournament. So we're out on the lake. Hopefully we can catch some fish. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, subscribe and leave a like so you don't miss out on other videos. I want to thank Martin County Pheasants Hunting Forever for hosting this tournament so we could do it today. Yeah, enjoy. And good luck to all the other anglers.
There's another one. Here.
That's how much we have caught so far. Well, that's how much
you've caught. I haven't fished.
Yeah, we're keeping everything we catch. The tournament.
Heaviest yellowback bucket wins a prize.
I'm using the one, what are those called? The shiny spoon with little wigglers.
Yeah. Can't even get the GoPro set up. You just keep catching fish.
Yep.
Get him. There are little ones today in here.
I used to, a couple weeks ago, there's pretty big ones.
Ouch.
You can't even get down there. Well, you're not even going to the bottom. They're all the way. You could see them. They're all the way.
Let's see if we can get some flasher vision. See all those fish? One of them's about to come topside.
And one of them is.
Yeah, I'll hook this back up here.
Super light nibbles. They're not even nibbles. They just start pulling.
I might not even have to fish today.
Yeah.
Well, everyone counts.
I'm trying to get some biggers. But everywhere. Just
Oh my gosh. Tiny, tiny.
That might be the smallest one of the day.
Smallest one of the year, possibly.
Yeah.
Let's get some more bait on there. Yep, that's the only reason they don't bite. Well, everyone else got about a half-hour head start on us, but we'll see how it turns out.
They did?
Well, everyone else that was set up before us. Took us a while to get on the fish. Take him. Take him. Just want to take a minute to thank Martin County Pheasants Forever for having this tournament, and Tractor Supply and all the other sponsors that they mentioned at the beginning. It's really cool to have a tournament just for kids to get them outdoors. So good luck to everybody out there.
Oh shoot, that's my big one. Ah, dang it. I was hoping that was a big one.
You know, it only takes a couple 10-inchers to make a little more weight. If we weren't in a tournament, we'd probably be moving to another spot, but
oh, that's a bigger one. And
we're still,
probably the biggest one in Boekett.
we're still not in that 8-inch class yet.
No.
I'll take it off. So your hands stay warm. Can't even tie a knot fast enough.
Yeah.
Oops, I missed that one.
It's alright. All you need is a depth finder to find the fish, and then you don't really need a depth finder.
Not today, at least. They're biting pretty aggressively.
Otherwise, you'd have to do it the old-fashioned way. If you forgot or didn't find it, you'd have to walk around, make holes, and see if there's anything in any hole. Doubles.
Oh, that's mine. I'm still getting into the game.
Not doubles, guys.
My God, that depth finder is ridiculous.
Yeah, you can see all the fish. There we go.
There, I can add one to my pile.
Oh, yep.
There's a double.
There's a double, guys.
Here. Getting the most fish is all about speed.
Yep.
The faster you get your hook back down there, the faster you get another one.
Oh, dang it.
Another double.
We almost have this bucket already halfway. Almost. We still haven't. Hasn't even been an hour.
Not since we've been here.
Yeah.
It is 10:08, so the tournament's an hour in and 2 hours to go.
Yep, 2 hours to go, guys. We are gonna have this bucket filled. We might even have to start in the
look
white
at that.
bucket.
Look at that, you might have to grab my pole. See him?
Yep.
Oh, he wasn't there when I grabbed the pole. And the bait. All I'm doing is wasting bait.
And all I'm doing is catching fish. Oh boy. That one felt like a hefty one right when it got to the hole.
I won't even have my hook baited before you have to take another one off.
Oh boy. Look at this, guys. Boom. Boom.
So we got a late start.
We got a late start and we're already slamming fish.
And then we tried finding fish in a different spot and there wasn't nothing there, so we moved.
And here comes the goodies. And we're really close to our secret spot. Well, we're pretty close.
Yeah, it's not much of a secret anymore. 3 years ago it was a secret.
Yeah.
But that's okay. These fish are everywhere. Look at that. You caught two while I was baiting my hook.
Oh wow, you have your mouth open, boy. Come on. It's hard to get open. Hey, Dad.
Huh.
Why do yellow bass have that blue glowy thing right underneath their mouth?
Oh, it's just a color.
It's pretty. And
I ripped those wigglies off again. I did.
oh wow! I got your fish.
I'm just gonna take your damn fish off. I don't get any time to. My fish don't matter anyways.
Just drop down to the bottom. You'll catch. They'll slam you before you get there. See? Oh shoot!
Watch out for your transducer. Stand up and get it, or else you're gonna lose the fish.
We're on the roll, guys.
Gonna have a lot of fish nuggets, it looks like.
Yep. But hey, we always can give them away to people.
Yeah, we're not in the school with the big ones today.
Not today. Only if we're in our other spot.
That looks like it's got a fight to it.
It's kind of bigger.
Chunkier, not longer.
No. Open up. Hey guys, if you want to know something, to open up the yellow bass mouth, pinch their cheeks, and they'll open up. It's easier for you to get your hook out. Here's a little tip that you can remember.
Alright, it's 10:26. We're still loaded up with fish. We're gonna shut you guys off for a little bit and bring you back so we have battery life at the end of the tournament. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. We got 1 hour till weigh-in. And G's bucket's looking pretty good. And I just stopped fishing because he's catching them too fast. Got anything to say yet? Nope, you're busy.
Yeah. Exactly what I was just gonna say. We almost have a full bucket, guys. And it's already been 2 hours.
Yeah, that's an hour and a half right there of catching them. Pretty fast action, and G's been fishing by himself. We got 45 minutes till weigh-in, and we officially switched buckets. And there's still a ton of fish down there, aren't there, G?
Hey guys, it's 11:50 and it's time to check in our fish. So let's go do that.
We got one full bucket, and then
One full bucket and
then about a third of a bucket.
yeah.
Stay tuned. Just want to take a quick thank you to the people that plow the road out here. I know it's a lot of work and it's thankless at times, but it really helps us get around, and on a day like today, it meant a lot. Thanks to you guys.
16 or older and 110 pounds to give. So make that appointment right now.
6P 12-gauge pump shotgun waterfall edition. Yep, most yellow bass goes to Graydon Moore. Little G-Man.
Good job, G-Man. Put it in the box.
How many pounds of yellow bass?
Oh yes, 31.58.
Nice.
If anybody doesn't know this man,
What do you think about that?
this little guy, his name
I
is
actually got
G-Man.
my first
He's on YouTube.
guy.